everyone, so I recently made a Malaysian jam that we call kaya, and in this video I'm going to show you how I made it. We use traditional Malaysian ingredients to make Malaysian kaya. I'm going out to my garden and getting some pandan leaf, which is very flavorful and fragrant and is going to be infused into the kaya. I'm also going to be using coconut milk, about 10 egg yolks, and also a mixture of white and coconut sugar. The brown coconut sugar in Malaysia is called gula melaka. You can also use caramelized sugar instead. In a pot over medium heat, I'm going to be adding the coconut milk, the pandan leaves tied in a bunch, and the mixture of coconut and white sugar. I'm going to bring this mixture to a boil, stirring to ensure that all the sugar is dissolved. Then I'm going to turn off the heat and start separating my 10 eggs. This recipe calls for egg yolks because yolks are creamier. It's easier to get a smoother kaya when using egg yolks. Whisking the egg yolks rapidly, I'm going to be adding a little bit of the hot coconut milk mixture at a time. This is similar to how you would make custard or pastry cream. Now, over the lowest heat possible or over a double boiler, whisk your kaya mixture until it thickens. This will take quite a while and you will need to stir constantly to prevent your kaya from getting curdled or scrambled. If your kaya does get a little bit lumpy, you can work it through a sieve, though what I would recommend is using an immersion blender to blend everything because that would really make it very smooth. It's up to you how long you cook your kaya. Some Malaysians prefer it more custardy so that you can really spread it thickly in bread and crackers. I tried making my kaya as thick as peanut butter, which is a really interesting experiment because it came out really silky, smooth and glossy. When your kaya is as thick as you like it, you can spoon it into a jam jar and keep it in your fridge. This is what the kaya looks like after it has chilled. It is so creamy and I love spreading it on crackers. I have it for tea or for breakfast. Anyway, if you try making kaya, let me know how it goes. Let me know if you changed any of the ingredients. It's up to you to modify the recipe. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more videos. Bye!